Hey guys, good morning. Good morning. This is KP here, guys. We are really getting excited to record this video. Let's do this, guys. We're how to create your own Facebook. This video is going to be complete, and we are going to add new stuff because we're gonna go in depth. We're gonna go step by step and create our own Facebook from scratch, and we're gonna add into it because. So let's get into it. Without further ado, let's get into it. I'm gonna go to my screen right away, and I'm gonna share with you, uh, you know, exactly some technologies, some terminologies. I mean, some terminologies. These terminologies are very, very important because once you understand this metric terminologies, you will be in the right path. So there's something called KPI, which is key performance indicators. These are metric let you read your data or let you read your data. We call them data or data, either way, whatever you call them. And if you read your data right, then you will find out whatever creative you create in your Facebook ad, is it probable or not? Because these data are the one are gonna let you decide what the best creative, what is the creative that are working out there, which one did your audiences respond to it, and these are very important. These data, let's go to my screen. I'm going to share my screen again. These data here are very, very, very important because once you understand these data, you will be creating your best performing Facebook ad, your first best performing Facebook ad. But before we create that, let's see what is the Facebook actually. And since I speak two languages, I wrote this shishi. I'm going to run through it very quick. This shishi in two languages. One part is in Arabic, the other part in English. So I'm going to run through it very quick and show you exactly what I'm talking about here. So let me go here. This is the shishi here. And this is the shishi. We're going to go through it. And right here in Arabic, إعلانات فيسبوك, which is إعلانات فيسبوك هي شكل من أشكال للإعلانات عبر الإنترنت يقدمه فيسبوك فيحسب أو خدمات خدماتهم أو محتوياتهم للجمهور. عندك أي خدمات، عندك أي أفكار دار توصل للجمهور بتاعك، فيسبوك بيسهل لك الأمور ده، وأنت بتوصل معلومتك لمليار من البشر، خاصة المجموعة المحددة أنت داير تصله، which is they call them audiences. And I'm not gonna go through it. I'm gonna just pass by, and I'm gonna come here. These are the detail right here. So if you're looking for this shishi, you're gonna see it below this video. I'm gonna put it below this video, especially if this video reach like 200 like. I'm gonna post it in this. So here the محتويات بتاعت الفيسبوك، مستويات بتاعت الفيسبوك، وده قاعده احصائيه ان كيف آه تاسس الفيسبوك بتاعك. How you structure your Facebook. This is your Facebook structure table right here, which is start with virtual table. Virtual table. The first thing you're gonna go to business.facebook.com overview here, and then the second you're gonna go to campaign level, and And then third, you're gonna go to add as, which is once you hit you name your campaign level, you're gonna come to the ad set. These are your ad set here. Right here was a green, ad set, and every ad set can have one ad, or can have two ad, or can have unlimited of ad. The level ad, that way you put in your creative pictures, media, uh, what else, carousel, all this. This is where the level 3, which is the ad. The level 2 is an ad set where you are what audiences, what interests you want to promote or want to present your idea in front of them, which is the level 2 is the ad set, what exactly you want Facebook to show your ad to who, to what audiences, and the ad, and then level 3, which is the ad. And these three levels, the whole entire campaign is started with one campaign, and the second is going to be ad set. Ad set, you can have one ad set in one campaign, or you can have two ad set in one campaign, or you can have 100 ad set in one campaign. Same in an ad. You know, the situation is the same in ad. In one ad set, you can have one ad, or you can have two, or you can have 100 of ad. So these are how you structure your table right here, and this is in English right here. What is the Facebook? Facebook ad are form of online advertisement provided by Facebook, allowing businesses, individual to promote their own product, ideas, services, whatever you name it. So I'm not gonna run through it. As I said, this cheat sheet will be. I'm gonna post it below this video in its description, especially if this video reach 200 likes. So the most important thing, which is we talked about it earlier, is called KPI. KPI, which is this is another same table in English section, and these are the most important metric KPIs. These right here are your KPI metric. Minimum 28 of them. Minimum 28 of them. Right here. So these, if you set up this in the right way, they're going to show you how to read your data. And the most important metric in these data is click-through rate. Click-through rate is the first thing you look at it when you create your own ad. And then you have CPC, which is click cost per click. These are the two main criteria you want to look at them when you run your ad for at least 3 days. And if you see these two indicators, two metrics, they are doing great, then your creative or your campaign or your ad set or your ad itself is doing very well. It's performing very well. So how you distinguish, how you differentiate between them, how you know if the CTR is lower than is low, then the problem is your creative is not, which is the video, the media, it's not convincing a lot of people. If CTR, which is control, which is click through rate, is low, is lower than 2, because the number, the magic number for Facebook for that is 2 and up. So if the is lower than 2, then you are your creative are not doing great, you have to change and come up with different creative. But if your CPR or CP, which is CPC, is highest, highest and up, then your audiences are not responding, or your interests, the people you are presenting, you whatever you're offering, they are not impressed. So you have to change the interest. You have to change the people that you are presenting into whatever ad you create. So these are metric. These right here. So I'm gonna kind of read a little bit on them right here. So let's see the first. See the first here. Let me take this one out. Right here, these tools are very important, guys. Number one, you have search, which is right. Number one, you have reach here. So I'm not gonna go to set up the special column because these are the key performance indicator. We got to set up the column, but I did set up my column already. And right here, what is it? This is rich right here. Number two, you got impression. Number three, you have a video average play. And then you have 95% video play. And then you have uh, quality rate ranking. So these are the best metric you want to set up in a special column that's gonna allow you how to read your data right or your data right. So let's show you a little bit how to get them. So you go to your campaign. So I'm gonna go to share my screen again. And so I'm gonna add sharing my screen, move this, and I'm gonna go to share my screen. Let's see here. So let me go to my Facebook home manager. So I'm right here in my Facebook home manager right here. So, and this is where we are going to set up our column. This is where we are going to set up our column. So I'm right here in Facebook manager. Let me close this. And I'm going to come and hit create new. But before we create a campaign, we have to set up the column. So where you find the column, you find the column here. And you scroll it all the way down. I'm going to hit on the custom column. Yeah, right here. Go to my column all the way down. I'm gonna come to custom column. These are the tool I'm talking about. These are the tool I'm talking about. But I set up mine already. So here, what you do, you delete all these. All these, you delete them. You delete, 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 delete. Once you delete, now you come and start a new one. And you just add search, impression. You just add, all this. You type whatever here you want. And then you type. So you're going to get this list and below this video, guys. This list will be below this video. You see all of them, and you type the name of the uh, the metric, and then it's gonna show up. You see, after I delete everything, I type all this metric in a prompt here, and then I just add them step by step. So once you're done, you come down here and you click here, and you name them whatever name you want. You name them. Once you name them, I named them already right here, and then you click save. So now I did clear my uh, column indicators. And after that, you come to campaign level, and you can see all these column right here. These are the column. These are the new column after I delete the old one and I create a new one. I add just search in the prompt and find it and just add it. So once you create your own performance your column, once you create your own unique column from the best data readers, which is the tools I show you, then you come here and you click new, you create, and then let us start with engagement. And you come here, you click right here. Once you click right there, this is what I was talking about, guys. This is the campaign, one campaign. And this is second level, which is ad set. And this is the third level, which is the ad, which is where your media goes. This is where you show what interest, what type of people you're looking for. The level 2. Level 1 is the umbrella, which is the campaign itself. Level 2 is what type of people you're looking for, which is the audiences, the interests. And level 3, your media, which is your creative, whatever video, carousel, video, images, whatever you name it, whatever you want. I'm gonna come and name this one right here. New campaign for this date today. So I'm gonna say it's 7/28, 2023. Here you can name it with whatever product you have. Product ideas, whatever you have, you can name it with it. But for the sake of video, I'm gonna name it just a new engagement campaign 2023 with a date. So now in this level of campaign, I don't have to change anything. Leave everything. All this page, leave it alone. You leave this page alone. You don't change. The only thing you do is just naming, and the rest, all the way from here, nothing you want to change. Nothing. Because you're going broad. You're going now broad. Leave it. You don't have to change anything. We're gonna do it in detail in the following step, the following levels. Next, which I'm come to ad set, which is the second level. Again, I'm gonna name this one video 1/2023. Video 1/7/28/2023. Here I'm gonna put the name of the product, the idea, and then the video number, and then put the date, because you want to distinguish, you want to separate. You want to be able to identify any campaign in the future, because once you have thousands of campaign, it will be difficult to identify. That's why you have to put the date, and so any campaign you're looking for, it will be easier to identify. So right here, now we are here. This is where you come, and I'm going to choose website. Always choose website, and I'm going to come here and choose my pixel. You see here, I'm going to choose pixel. So let me choose one pixel here, and then I have to choose conversion. What type of conversion? What type of conversion event? Let me see if I can see uh, purchase here. View content. Okay, let me choose view content for now, because the reason I don't see purchase, because I choose engagement. So I want people to interact with my content. So now I choose view content, which is event. Look here. This is where you see your audiences. This is where you see your audiences right here. And then go down here. I don't have to choose. I don't have to do anything. I'm just put the budget, $5, 5. And right here, I don't need to put daily, which is daily budget always 00. Just put 5 here. And then the start date, the next day. Time 12 midnight. Right here, which is PM. And this one 00. So the next day, 12 midnight. Once you create that one, you come down here, you come to area of audiences. So this one is audiences area. That's the audiences area. So the only thing you need to change here, because we're going broad, we are right now going broad. We're going for broad audiences because we are testing. We are trying to test the audience. What audience will respond to us? So I'm gonna come here. I'm gonna choose the location. United Kingdom again. And then New Zealand. These are top 5 countries that speak English. Canada, and right here, Australia, Australia. These are the top spoken English countries. Once I set up the location where I wanna, what country I wanna uh, promote my ad, I come down to the age here and change it to 21. age 21 to 65. The gender, it depends on your product. It depends on your idea. What is it? This product for ladies specifically, then you change to women. If this product for men, then you change to men. If this product is unisex, which is broad, there's no gender, then you leave it broad. You leave the gender, all genders. So you come down here, and then after that you come to detailing right here. Detailing. You see here detailing? This is where you are going to see what interest you're looking for, whatever product you have. So you type, example, you type, let me assume uh I have a dog product. Then I type dog. That's the interest. Example, dog product. Once I type in dog product, they are I'm gonna look for the interest. You see here, I'm not looking for people that are looking for a job. I'm looking for the big interest, the big broad interest. If we look this here, is right here is almost a lot of people, 400 million people, and this is where you want to go. And after you choose your interest, you example, if I choose this like this, now I can copy this and name my copy and go back and put it here as a name for my here right here. I can change this one and name it. Just paste it and name. Make it as a name. No. So once we set up that one, we set up the location, we set up everything. Replacement, you come to manual replacement. But for now, because we're changing broad, we are going to go for let the Facebook algorithm work for us. So we're going to leave it is auto replacement, which is advanced auto replacement. And then you click next. You When you click next right here, it's going to lead you here. So I'm going to click on the ad, which is this is where your creative, where your media going to come in. This is where all your best creative come in. Your pictures, your images, whatever you create, carousel, whatever best you can craft out there, and just this is where you're going to place them. So we come here. So we can name this one here, like the one that we copied earlier. And then add video, slide video one example. Name it that way. The interest plus video one. And then come here and choose the page. This is where I can choose pages. I got all these pages. Whatever page I want to choose, I can choose this one. And then you come here, you can connect your Instagram. And you can choose your Instagram page here, right here. Instagram page, or you can connect it. And then scroll down right here. This is where you choose your creative videos, which is creative sources. Always choose manual. Always choose manual. And in order to see, to overview your media, you have to turn on this one. You have to turn it on. So now it's on. And you come here and you choose your media right here. So I'm going to choose my media, choose video, and we were talking about the dog product, right? Okay. So I'll click on the dog hair removal. Click right there, and then optimize. Click on optimize, and right here, this is your media right here. Once you optimize all of them, you can trim, you can crop. Let me optimize this one here. Let me do this one here. And now optimize. So now we optimize all our videos, and then just click next. You see, we optimize all of them. And now we're going to wait. So this is how they're going to look here. Can edit. Once we optimize this is how they're going to look after they got optimized. Just click next. I can go to advanced. This is right here. This is where your all ad looks. This is where they place them, the location, and how they looks. Once you're done with that one, you go to see the next. How they're gonna look too. Once you finish with that one, you exit. And now you have to put your headlines. You put your page, not your homepage, your product page link here. Okay, so I'm gonna give example. Let me see my product page link. Right here. So this is my product page link right here. I'm going to copy this. And I'm going to paste it here. Paste. This is your headline. This is your primary. Whatever text, description, or headline, feature, how it works, all this detail. You wanna teach the audience. You wanna teach the customer. Tell the customer about your product. Why is this product? What is the benefits, and why? What is the offer? Benefit, education, benefit, offer. At this minimum, education and benefit and offer. So if I wanna, this is where I'm gonna post this. So let me go back here to this. Show you a good example. Because I got example for the ad, you know. right here. So here, this is just let me copy this. Good example. Just try to make it like example, guys. Copy. Come back here. I'm gonna paste it here. Paste. Put the headlines. Short description. Headline. 6 words. You know, best rated. Something. Something. It grab attention to the customer. Why this? So example. Are you tired from the dog hair? You know, a hook. Uh, be free from the dog hair. Example, because it's your dog, 24 hours with you. So example, you want to be free from the dog hair. Something, something like it grab attention to for the customer to pay attention. Why they need this? Why they need this? Not they want it. So once you're done with that one, we come down and this is the new part, guys, because right here you choose the link, you put the link, once you put your link right here, the headline, the links, and then you choose call to action. You want to buy now, sign, all these, you have to choose one, call to action. So my here example is like learn more, but I can change it to buy now. I can change it to sign up. This one here. You see this one here? This one here. This is the most important thing. You know, the call to action. So you want the customer. What do you want customer to do? Signed up, whatever, buy now, get one, all this, the call to action. After you're done with this, the media, which is your creative media, now you come to this. You see this URL, paramedic, it's very important. You have to set it up. So you say, example, Facebook ad, underscore Facebook ad. And then you come to this one and you put ad set name. And then you come to the next, which is the campaign. You know, the campaign name. Campaign name, what is it? And then you come right here and you put ad, your creative ad, the ad name. And then you click creative. And now you set up your URL parameter. This is very important because the i14, which is iPhone and i14 update, kind of block to really to read your data from iPhone. So that way you come and use uh, Google Analytics in your website, so you can read the whole entire data, because the new i14 is not going to allow you to read the accurate data. That way you come and need this and set it up and connect it with your Google Analytics. Once you're done with that one, now you come here and publish. This is where you come and publish. Once you publish, then you wait for 3 days. Let the ad run for 3 days and then come back. Check your ad. When you come back, the first thing you're going to look for right here, the first thing you're going to hit on your campaign, and the first thing you're going to look for is once you hit your campaign right here, you're going to come all the way down here, guys. What you're looking for, you're looking for CTR and then CPC. These are two first metric indicators. These are two first metric indicators. So once you find them, you see how they're performing. If they're performing good, then your ad is great. So once you see now those numbers and you read them very well, now it's going to determine how to find the best performing creative, which is you come to ad set and you come to the ad and you see what the best performing video, which one, this one, you know. So, and then if you want to set up rules, you come here and you create the new rules, and this is a different separate video. So we're gonna stop here because we don't want to make a video, it's gonna be a long video, so we don't want to make it longer. So the next step we're gonna do after we find the best performance, we turn off all that and leave the one that are performing. And now, we can create a new campaign with the best performing, the same video. And we're going to go in depth in the next video, guys, because once you come here and you edit this, one, you can copy this. This campaign, you can create 10 ad set. Each ad set has one ad. So you can duplicate this 9 times. Duplicate 9 times. Plus the original is going to be 10. So that tells you you're going to end up with 10 ad set and 10 ad. You see, these are right here. 10 ad set, the one with the 4 square here. And these are 10 ad with the one of 1 square. And this is where you plug in different media, different video, different. So you can put video here, you can put pictures here. You can create a carousel here. You can put video too here. You can upload images in this one. So you create different media to find out what the best media will work very well, which media will perform very well. Whatever get a best response out there, that's the one you shut down the rest and you start a new ad and you duplicate it a couple of times. You can duplicate it 20 times. So you can duplicate the ad set 10 times, which is 9 plus the original, it will become 10. And then duplicate the ad set, which is, you can, for every ad set, you can duplicate the ad and become 2 ad. So that is 20. So that is gonna be a separate video, guys, because we don't want to make this video longer anymore. So that's how you duplicate. Because the next video we're gonna create, keep testing and creating more creative to find the best performing media out there, and then scale it. We're gonna go to a level of scaling next. So we see you in next video, guys.